Are you looking for a best ways to make money online? If your answer is yes, you can watch this video. Well, in this video, I share with you top 10 ways to make money online. Before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Naim. In this channel, I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend time with your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you're interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay. So if you need any help or your problems about making money online, just search on FB I am Naim. Go to page section, like my official Facebook page and just send me a message about your problems. I promise myself I will never be like the other gurus. They never respond to my message when I was getting started. So with that said, let's start this video. Number 10 is guys, become an Amazon affiliate. If you are not interested in selling items on Amazon, you can promote them instead by becoming an Amazon affiliate. If you own a website, blog, or even moderate an online group or forums, that's mean you have an audience and you can use that to your advantage. On this Amazon affiliate topic, I have a related video on my YouTube channel. You can check my channel. Also link in the description below, guys. So our number 9 is guys, Amazon customer care jobs. You can actually work for Amazon as a customer service. There are always positions available around the holidays, so it would not hurt to apply. I actually have a family member who recently got hired by Amazon. There are a seasonal, full-time and part-time customer service job available along with other remote work opportunities. So our number 8 is guys, dropshipping. So what is dropshipping, guys? So with dropshipping, you work with a wholesaler or distributor that offer this service. Not all manufacturers and wholesaler offer dropshipping, but lots of people do this. And guys, you can make a lot of money with dropshipping. And our number 7 is guys, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing, guys? Affiliate marketing is a way for you to earn money by selling a brand's products. As a strictly a marketer, you have no inventory and work for a commission. Generally, affiliate marketers receive payment when a consumer they referred buys product or service or complete a specific task. And also guys, in this video I'm share with you. So in this video I'm also share with you guys top 2 affiliate programs, just like guys ClickBank and also guys JVZoo. And you can see here guys, I also promote affiliate product and guys I am making right now $10,000 per month. So our number 6 is guys, Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a free program that is designed to use your website to increase revenue by displaying advertisers' ad known as AdWords on these sites. When visitor to your site click on this AdSense ads, you get paid, as does Google from the advertiser and hopefully the advertiser who sells a product to a happy customer. So our number 5 is guys, buy and sell domains. Buy and selling domains names can be a lucrative business. Just take a look at this list of the most expensive domains. It's always changing, guys. You can see here guys, domain boys.com is guys $13 million. 360.com is guys $17 million. Fund.com is guys $12 million. So as we can see here guys, these domains rates so expensive. So I think you need to start a domain hosting business. So our number 4 is guys, become an online influencer. If you got a strong presence on any social media platform or have a certain platform you want to grow on, such as Instagram, YouTube or Facebook, you can become an online influencer and earn money with brands, partnership, speaking gigs and lot of others, guys. So number 3 is, guys, create a niche based podcast. Podcasts are popular because they are a way to consume content where we are on the go. We can listen to them in the car, while driving, work, on the subway. Thought it can take a while to establish an audience and earn money. There are tons of ways to launch podcast on any number of topics and styles. So number 2 is, guys, sell a web hosting as a reseller. And as we can see here, guys, global web hosting market share December 2019. You can see here, guys, below are the hosting companies with the most client worldwide. Is, guys, GoDaddy. By purchasing an unlimited hosting plan from one of the most popular web hosting companies like Bluehost or HostGator, you can resell it at a markup to your clients. This is a great option for people who also make money building websites, because you can sell all in one package, guys. So guys, we are right now on our number 1. So before I announce the number 1, the $1 billion business model idea, so if you want to watch this $1 billion business model idea, you need to do is, guys, tap the like button and subscribe now. So guys, our number 1 is, guys, start an online travel agency. If you love to travel, you can start a business as a private travel agent. Create a social media group for people who want the best deals. After you have built your reputation, you can become a consultant to teach people how to take the trip of their dreams. And as we can see here, digital travel sales worldwide from 2014 to 2020 is, guys, $817 billion, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question about these ways to make money online, just comment now and tell me your problems, guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Peace.